I got one thing to tell you guys, and that is the crappie spawn is on at Lake Eufaula.
It's on.
How do you think we did today?
You did better than me.
Well,
For once.
so like 7 o'clock this morning, I don't know, maybe 7:30, 8, who knows. It was supposed to blow like 40 mile an hour all day today in Oklahoma City. And I really wanted to go fishing, put it that way. And I know Skeetus over here, Shane, I know he wanted to go fishing. I've been wanting to try this new spot at Eufaula, well, new to me anyway. Gaine's Creek on the southern end of Eufaula at McAllister. So loaded up the boat, and yeah, we did all right. We did all right. Of course, like he said, I did better than Shane, but you know, it is what it is.
I gotta let the guys. It's his boat. I gotta let.
Yeah.
I can't outfish the guy that owns the boat. So.
Yeah, that's what it was. So check it out, guys. We got video. We'll put in a big montage of catches and all that good stuff. Hope if the camera, if the sun and the camera and all that worked out for the LiveScope screen, you'll get to see some LiveScope action. Had saw a gar, big gar on LiveScope too. It was really cool looking. So check out the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. All that is Mike and Shane, Too Tall Fishing.
Spawn is on.
Spawn is on. Spawn is on. Check it out. He's to the left more. He's over there with you. I'm right above him, but nope, he's swimming away from that one. What about that one down there? You got him? You devil.
Yeah, oh, I guess he's not bad.
Man, that's a good fish. Oh, I put that pole back, didn't I? I can move it again. He's been on the bottom too. You gonna make sure you show him to at least one of the cameras. Oh. Well, you got your camera on in the back, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you. No. That's what happens, folks, when you get so excited like I do. All right, come on. Come on. Boy, that dude ain't interested in that blue and green. He'll keep. I guess they will eat that one. Oh, calm down. I hope we get to go boat shopping when we drive by this guy's boat. It's a nice looking boat. One of the guys out here has got this 20-foot center console. Uh-oh. What do you got? Is it big or is it cheesy?
Sometimes I let them go, catch and release, like I did a minute ago.
Oh shit. Hey, dude. You could have waited until well, okay. Come on in. Are you big enough? No, you're not really big enough to.
He's called Twin Lakes good, but not Eufaula.
Yeah, he's twin. Well, I don't know. He choked it though. That's for damn sure. Oh, all right, hang on. Good God.
I should have probably kept that other one around.
Look at that. Alright, come here, dude. I'll laugh if they just go nuts over black and pink, because I don't think I've tried that at all today. Oh, no. Fucking braid. Use braid, it's the strongest. You won't break off when you catch a bunch of fish. You will, however, spend 50% of your time untangling yourself from yourself. Right off the bottom. Say what?
I got that name right here.
Oh, well, I got him. Look how muddy he is. Yeah. I got it. I'm gonna weigh him. Oh, that other one was bigger. That's 121. He was seriously, they're just kind of hugging. Well, I don't know about all of them. There's a lot running around too, but
straight might save you a few jigs though in here.
Yeah. Take it. Take it. Take it. Gotcha. Whoops. Hey, you unhooked yourself, dude. That's pretty cool. Yeah, if I could, man, if I could get a lake lot with a boat dock, you'd never see me again. Well, you could if you wanted to come to Eufaula.
Gotta get on the lake. We had one.
I remember I was going to ask you that. I thought you said you had a, was it on the water?
It was not on the water. That's why I didn't really get shit on it.
I'm always seeing those ads on, all the damn time about Lake Eufaula. It's only $4,000 or whatever.
I don't know.
That's why.
A family friend, Anya, the Korean lady, she's the one that had it sold to us. I think we only gave her $500 for it.
Gee whiz, dude.
It wasn't far from the water.
But did it have, the question is, did it have water, power, and septic? So what good is it?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, and it was like in a real low-lying area, and the water just rushed across it. Man, that looks like that'd be a promising spot. Yeah.
Let's see what.
So I scared them all out of it.
Yeah.
It was just some shit we had to mow a couple times a year, and
So it was more of a pain in the butt than.
yeah.
Did I seriously just lose track of my? I'd be so pissed if I just threw out
It was gone.
over the side and into the water.
Seriously?
Yeah, it looks that way.
Holy shit.
See if I see a.
Sucks, dude.
There's something. Oh, you got a line down.
Yeah, we're trying to see it.
Is that a line or is that my fishing pole? And there's a fish on. What the?
Yeah, that's probably your fish.
Well. Yeah. Uh-oh.
I bet it's in that trolling motor. Put that trolling motor up, I bet you lines in.
Alright, hang on. Will you just set it down? Will you fire up the big one and just keep us from going into the rocks and the bank and the... Let me... I got it. I don't know if we're anywhere near the brush pile now, but here, hang on. All right, it's bad. You can kill it. I got it back on. Oh, I'm gonna do this right now. Thank you, Jesus. That was my favorite fishing pole. Yeah, just throw it right back in there, ass. Oh, thank you for the trolling motor. The one thing I cuss about all the time. Let the spot lock calm down a minute, and then I'll get us back on there. Give me just a second. Let me get this. Well, if you're going to lose your pole, throw it in front of the trolling motor. And all that's on video. Alright. Oh, God. I was so pissed.